Terraform can't talk to AWS on its own. That's exactly what the provider is for. A Terraform provider is a plugin that acts as a bridge between Terraform and an external platform, like AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, or even GitHub. On its own, Terraform has no idea how to create a virtual machine or an S3 bucket. The provider handles all of that. It translates your configuration into real API calls to the target platform. Each provider ships with two key things: resource types and data sources. Resource types let you create and manage infrastructure, like an AWS S3 bucket or an Azure virtual machine. Data sources let you read existing infrastructure without managing it. Think of the provider as a catalog of everything Terraform can interact with on a given platform. Providers also handle authentication. When you configure the AWS provider, you supply credentials, an access key, an assumed role, or environment variables. The provider uses those to authenticate every single API call it makes on your behalf. To use a provider, you declare it in your Terraform configuration inside the required provider's block. Then you run Terraform init, and Terraform automatically downloads and installs the provider plugin from the Terraform registry. A Terraform provider is your bridge to the cloud. It supplies resource types and data sources, handles authentication, and is installed with Terraform init. Which cloud provider are you using? Drop it in the comments. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.